What's up, buddy? I'm the Locksmith. I have a YouTube channel. Is it okay if I film it?
What's that?
I have a YouTube channel. Is it okay if I film it?
Oh, yes.
We got to talk about the crazy ex-girlfriend.
Yeah, yes, because you see all the sugar on the road right there. For the tank of sugar and shit.
Is she really?
Yeah, that's good. Fucking did all that shit, slashed the tires and shit. I just got them replaced yesterday.
She slashed them?
She slashed them.
What did you do?
I had to get them fucking replaced.
No, what did you do to make her do that?
Oh, no, she did that to her damn self. She was real fucking having a good old time, and she had too much alcohol and shit, and started arguing with me and shit.
Gotcha. All right, let me make the key, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Is it locked or unlocked? Unlocked? Okay. And it's a 04? Okay.
Just like maybe an hour and a half ago, I got the
Drop the tank?
in there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Where do you have these keys at? And he's like, I never got the keys when I come to the car. So I'm like, now my keys are gone. I look at my.
You think she took them?
So long was it when all of a sudden?
Oh, dang. All right, let me make the key. All right, we're doing it's an 04. I wonder what key that is. 72? 92? Man, it's too hot out here. Whew. All right, lock picked. All right, we got 3 options. I can either cut a key or I can pick the trunk lock. I'll pick the.
These kind of cars and drag tops.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to do it when they can see it.
Right.
The car is just like.
And they can break a window.
Huh?
And people, yeah. All right, I got most of the cuts out of the door lock. I'm gonna get the last few from the trunk because I don't feel like cutting a test key. Probably the last one. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we got. You can just double check it. 5, 4, 4. This one should be a 3. Yep. And we got 1, 2. 1, 2. Our first key would have worked. So that's what we'll cut on the chip. Cut 1. Cut. Let's cut the next side. Let's see if it works. Perfect. Ignition. Okay, let's cut the next key. Hold on a minute. Program this key. And erase the other one. Alright, let's program these keys. You see the stuff light blinking? Ford. Oh, it's hot in here. I can actually step out of the car. We'll just do it. We'll just do it. Manual selection. Ford USA. Mustang 04. Blade and key. Control unit. Immobilizer. Erase all keys lost. Yes. On position, we're in the on position. 3 keys learned. You see it right there? Erasing keys, please wait. Number keys is 0. Okay, we're gonna take the key out. Put it in. You should get a solid security light somewhere. Can't see it. Let's see it. Where we at? Sometimes you need to go all the way back on the machine. Put up on the last one. Kind of exit the programming. And then you should see it. It should get solid though. There it is. Okay. Took a minute to come back alive. So solid means it's got 1 key in the memory. It will not start. Now it should shut off. There we go. We're done. Uh-oh. Why is the security light back on? Okay, off. Just make sure it's off with this one. Okay, it's off. Oh, it's got no gas. Oh, I have gas. Well, he just replaced the gas tank, so. Well, I know. I know, guys. You say, not my problem? That's what you say. They want to call that dude back out who did the gas tank. Just to be safe, we should check the amount of keys in the memory. And it should say 2. Or what number of keys, it won't communicate yet. We just plugged back in. Gotta give it a second. Okay, now we should communicate. Number of keys 2. So it erased all the keys, it programmed these 2 in. And starting is not my problem. Y'all have a good day. Hey, bud. It's all done. Car doesn't start, but the key is done.
Oh, there's no gas in there.
There's not? It looks
stuck on. Yes, stuck on the gas tank.
That, yeah. That's what I thought too, and then but it shows like it has gas. So, I don't know. You can check it, whatever, but it's all done. Huh?
It's plugging right now?
No, it's not.
Bouncing up and down?
Probably didn't adjust the flow.
It's full of heat. Oh, maybe it didn't adjust the flow. Or maybe once you put gas in it, maybe that will. But yeah, crank's good, so. Cool. Yeah, I said the same thing, no gas, and I looked at the thing and it's showing like it has gas. I'm like, oh.
License should come on and shit like that?
Yeah. The secure light shuts off too, so. And then it has 2 keys in memory. There were 3 before, and those are erased.
That's fucking. Put cash in there.
Should put cash?
No. Sugar in the gas.
Yeah.
Like
I would say I'll pull it down if there's cash in there.
sorry, my voice.
No, you're fine. I have a YouTube channel, so
Oh, yeah.
we'll put it on there.
See.
You know her too?
Nope. Thank God.
You never met her?
I saw her, but.
How long are you together
Picture of
for?
her ID, but we're past that now, so.
What's your last message to her?
Oh, man. Catch me if you can, bitch.
All right, that's what he said. To make sure I look good on camera. Well, give us your best pose. How do the women find
I
you?
got the cut off right now, man. All you gotta do is, you know what I'm saying? Just Google me, man.
How do they find you?
The women?
Through me. They have to message you through my channel. So on your video.
Oh, so I gotta go subscribe to your channel and see what's going on.
Yeah.
All right.